Good morning everyone. Welcome back. This video is for the students of class 11 subject economics. In this video we are going to continue with our chapter number 11, that is theory of supply, and this is the lecture number 6, that is the last lecture of this chapter. Okay, so after this lecture your chapter will be completed. So in this video we are going to discuss kinds of elasticity of supply. Okay, so the first type is perfectly elastic supply. What is perfectly elastic supply? It states that when there is infinite supply of a particular price. Okay, when supply of a commodity is infinite at a particular price, and if the price falls to zero, or we can say if there is slightest change in price, okay, it may be increase or it may be decrease, but with slightest change in price your supply will fall to zero. Okay, so this is known as perfectly elastic supply, in which we can say that elasticity of supply is equal to infinity. Okay, and its curve is horizontal line. Okay, and this is completely imaginary situation. It happens in very rare cases, or you can say in no cases, but still you have to learn that perfectly elastic supply means when elasticity of supply is infinite. It states that if there is slightest change in price, then your quantity supplied of the commodity will fall to zero, and the curve of such a curve of supply means perfectly elastic supply curve is a straight horizontal line parallel to x-axis. Okay. Now the next one is perfectly inelastic supply, in which elasticity of supply is equal to zero. Okay, so it states that when supply does not change with change in price, okay, when supply does not change with change in price, then supply for such a commodity is said to be perfectly inelastic. Okay, I repeat, it says that when supply does not change, whether the price changes or not, whether it increases or decreases, when supply remains constant, in such case the elasticity of supply is equal to zero. Okay, see, the curve for such case is vertical line which is parallel to y-axis, which shows that if there is decrease in price, then also supply is constant. If there is increase in price, then also the supply is constant. Okay. Now the next one is highly elastic supply. Highly elastic supply means when percentage change in quantity supplied is more than percentage change in price. Okay, it refers to ES is greater than 1. Okay, see with this help of diagram and table, if there is change in price from 10 to 15 means there is 50% change, and if there is change in supply means if price increases, supply increases by 100%. Okay, now see, price is increasing by 50%, 10 to 15, supply is increasing by 100%, means change in price is less in comparison to change in supply. Okay, so that is why it is said that when percentage change in quantity supplied is more than percentage change in price, then elasticity is highly elastic. Okay, that means it is greater than 1. Next one is less elastic supply, which means that when ES, elasticity of supply, is less than 1, which says that when percentage change in quantity supplied is less than percentage change in price. Okay, see, if the price is falling, is increasing from 10 to 15 means there is increase in price by 50%. With response to increase in price by 50%, there is increase in supply also, but that is by 20%. Okay, so now you can notice that there is more change in price and less change in supply. So such a case is less elastic supply. See, its curve will be like this. Okay, if here you notice, then there is more change in price in comparison to quantity supplied, change in quantity supplied. Okay, so therefore we can say that elasticity of supply is less than 1, or we can say it is less elastic. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now the last one is unitary elastic supply. Okay, what does unitary elastic supply means? It means when percentage change in quantity supplied is equal to percentage change in price. If there is increase in price by 10%, then there is same increment in supply also. Okay, if price is increasing by 10%, then supply is also increasing by 10%. Then in that case, your elasticity of supply will be unitary. Okay, see, if price is increasing by this much, with the same amount quantity supplied is increasing, that says that price will be elasticity of supply will be unitary. It will be equal to 1. Okay, so these were the kinds of elasticities of supply. I hope they are clear to you. Now your homework is that you have to learn all kinds of elasticities of supply. Okay.